Welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. The material for this video spans from September 27th through November 8th, where we traveled from Pennsylvania to Tennessee for a personal event. The trip was 12 hours each way. The videos and pictures were taken at various convenience stores and markets along the way. I didn't find the need to identify each store, since the point of this video is to show that the issue of understocked shelves exists in various states. However, this video is not about doom or gloom. It is about recognizing how local, national, and or global events can impact you and your normal way of life. You take a trip to the market just to find items you are used to buying may be substituted with unfamiliar brands, or worse, the items you are looking for may be out of stock indefinitely. At the height of the pandemic in 2020, there were shortages on some paper products, Lysol, etc. And here we are about 39 days from 2022, and some areas are still struggling to stock their shelves with paper products, canned tomato products, milk, cheese, frozen foods, water, and snacks, just to name a few. Things do not appear to be getting any better. Except now, mainstream media is finally reporting these shortages, which has sparked an uptick in grocery hauls. This behavior can grow out of control as people panic. If this happens, shelves will be emptied more frequently, and people will waste money buying foods they don't or won't eat for a sense of food security. This is not good, as it is only a short-term solution for those that can afford to buy in bulk. It may leave others staring down the aisles of empty shelves. So, what is the answer? Planning. Step 1. Identify and make a list of the foods your family enjoy eating on a regular basis. I recommend sticking with simple foods and ingredients like rice, beans, spaghetti sauce, tuna, canned vegetables with the exception of corn, sugar, salt, pepper, chicken, and ground beef. Step 2. Keep a record of the quantity of foods your family eat from the list you generated in Step 1. This will help you to calculate how much food to reserve for your family on a monthly basis. In this example, a family of 4 eats oatmeal every Tuesday. It takes 4 cups of oatmeal to satisfy this family of 4. Therefore, it will take 16 cups of oatmeal to feed them for the month. 16 cups of oatmeal is about 2.5 pounds. It will take 48 cups of oatmeal to feed them for 3 months, which is roughly 8.5 pounds. If you are one of those families that eat the same foods week after week, and you know your family goes through a large bag of oats in a month, then simply multiply by 3 if you want 3 months worth of oatmeal in your pantry. There will be a link to a site that has a food calculator in the description. Step 3. Shopping. Each time you go to the market or store, buy 1 or 2 items from your list, such as an extra large bag of oats, bag of rice, pack of meat, or canned item, minus corn. This way you stay closer to budget, become accustomed to organizing and managing foods by the best buy date, and you are not contributing to panic buying. Step 4. Growing your own foods as the season allows. I will start a little garden series around March 2022. This series will depict how I plan my gardens, from starting seedlings to transplanting, harvesting to preserving, as well as seed saving for the next growing season. I hope this little garden series will help to encourage beginners to follow along and motivate experienced growers to start their season a little early, as well as extend their season into the cold months. Although this was not a very detailed video on food storage, I hope it was enough to get you started with food security. The less people who rely on government for food, the better. And certainly, do not be a burden on family members or friends because you are not prepared. It has always been a tradition throughout the millenniums for families to store several months of food to survive the winter. Now, people rely on grocery stores that thousands of other people in their neighborhoods rely on. And every year there is a tornado warning, snowstorm brewing, or whatever Mother Nature stirs up. People run to the stores and clear the shelves. The procrastinators end up looking at empty shelves. How many times will it take for people to learn? Well, pretty soon the shelves will be empty for everyone, except there may not be any trucks en route to restock them. It is not too late to start preparing until it is.